Hey Lane's Barbecue family, Dan here. Today is all about porchetta. Alrighty guys, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to cook a porchetta. Now what I want to do is I actually want to go down to our local butcher, the local super butcher right near work, and I'm going to go talk to the store manager Bryce to go get him to roll up porchetta for us. So what is porchetta? Porchetta is the belly with the loin attached right towards the end. Now this is a really interesting one. I'm going to go jump in the car, get him to roll it up for us, and we're going to film the whole thing. Enjoy. So here we have our porchetta. So we've just added cranberries, pecans, and Kapalua seasoning to this. Now as you can see, Bryce is just tying a slip knot in this just to make sure it's all nice and tight and that nothing falls out. Is take this rolled pork belly, which has the loin right in the middle there. It's stuffed with cranberries, our Kapalua rub, pecans as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to salt the skin, salt this whole thing. Now it's about 4 kilos, so we want to dry this overnight to get the super crispy crackling on top of this pork. Now we're going to cover this in salt, leave it uncovered in the fridge overnight, and then come back to cooking tomorrow. Now for this part, I just like to season heavily with salt and rub it into the skin, just so it gets into every crack. It's all salted up, time to go in the fridge. So what we've got here is a small fire that we've lit in the Weber. Now we're actually going to run this at around 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is around 220 degrees Celsius. And now we're only going to cook this for the first hour at that high temperature, just so the crackle sets. Then we'll close down our vents and let this slow cook for the rest of the way. Alright guys, we're now off and resting. Now what we want to do is we want to rest this for about an hour. Now what I like to do is just put it in the oven, just where no flies and nothing can touch it. Now you want to leave it uncovered so you don't actually get any of that crackle that you've just worked so hard building go soft on you. So leave it uncovered in the oven around 60 degrees Celsius, just so that nothing can actually spoil it. Now we're just going to wait it out. We're just letting the pit cool down, and we'll get to slicing. Look at that. Alright guys, let's give this a try. Oh, nice crackle. juicy. Cranberries really tart, nice and sweet. The pecans, you still get a real rich earthiness to it. And the crackle fat, you cannot beat that. Give us a try. Absolutely epic. Oh. So that's it for another video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Really does mean the world to us. It is reassuring that you guys are tuning in and liking these videos. It makes it all worthwhile. We love making them. They're absolutely a lot of fun to do. Now, if you did like the video, please don't forget to like and give us a thumbs up on this video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, guys, thank you so much and have a fantastic day. Keep queuing. Cheers.